Juniata County 2-story home, bring furniture and family to move-in ready property. Convenient first floor bath, laundry and mudroom. Eat-in kitchen/dining room ready for meals. There is plenty of room in living room with hardwood flooring for relaxing. Mosey upstairs on new soft carpet with 3 bedrooms, full bath, replacement windows and attic area. Level rear yard accessible to alley off-street parking and area to build a detached garage. Won't last long, call listing today for personal tour.